In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of an image in Canva. Whether you're trying to eliminate an unwanted background or simply refining your design by removing specific elements, Canva makes it easy to make these adjustments. Let's go through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva's website. If you're not already familiar, Canva is a powerful yet user-friendly online design platform, perfect for creating beautiful visuals with ease. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. You might see a prompt asking you to continue with your Google account, which is a quick and secure way to access your designs. Select your Google account to proceed and keep clicking. Continue as necessary to reach your Canva dashboard. Now that you've logged in, it's time to open the project where you want to erase part of an image. Simply navigate to your projects and click on the one you wish to edit. Once the project is open, look for the image you want to alter. Click on it to select it, which will allow you to access Canva's editing tools. After selecting your image, you'll see some editing options appear. Click on Edit to bring up more detailed tools. You will see an option called Magic Eraser. This is the feature we'll use to erase parts of the image. Magic Eraser is intuitive. It's designed to let you click on specific areas you'd like to remove. With the Magic Eraser tool open, you'll want to use the click option for much easier selection of the part you want to delete. This makes it quite straightforward. Next, simply click on the person or object within your image that you're wishing to remove. The Magic Eraser tool uses advanced algorithms to identify and erase the selected element while preserving the rest of your image as intact as possible. Once you've made your selection, click on Erase. Note that there might be a brief loading time as Canva works its magic, so give it a moment to process the change. You'll soon see the unwanted element vanish from your image. Finally, to ensure everything looks just the way you want, click the back button. This action allows you to review the results and make any further adjustments if necessary. With these steps, you've successfully used Canva's powerful tools to erase part of an image, creating a cleaner, more focused design. By following this process, you can easily manage and enhance your projects on Canva, empowering your creative work with minimal hassle and maximum impact. Thanks for watching and happy designing.